Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Discovery Plus error code 500 or the request process has failed. So first of all, you need to execute a power cycle, for which you need to power off your device and unplug it for 15 seconds. Plug back in and power on your device. Also, if you are using an HDMI cable, try unplugging it from your device and then replug it. Now this should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, you can try updating the app to ensure a better performance. You can also uninstall and reinstall Discovery Plus on your device. If you are still having trouble, make sure your minimum internet speed is at least 2.5 Mbps. So it is recommended to check your internet speed. Alright, well that's all for now. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.